A properly framed door is essential for structural stability, smooth door operation, and long-term durability. Whether you're building a new home or remodeling, understanding the anatomy of a door frame and how to construct it is critical for success. What components make up a door frame? How do they work together to support the structure? What's the correct framing method for strength and longevity? Let's break it all down. Here's the anatomy of a door frame. A door frame consists of several key structural components, each playing a critical role in supporting the doorway and distributing weight. You have king studs, the full-length vertical studs on both sides of the opening. They run from the bottom plate to the top plate and provide overall wall stability. You have jack studs, or trimmers. These shorter studs sit inside the king studs and support the header. They transfer weight from above down to the floor. You have the header, a horizontal beam that sits on top of the jack studs, carrying the load from above and distributing it to the sides of the opening. You have cripple studs, short studs that fill the space above the header, connecting it to the top plate for additional support, used in load-bearing walls. You have a rough opening, the frame space where the door will be installed. It's typically 2 inches wider and taller than the door to allow for proper fitting. And you have the bottom plate, or the sill plate, the horizontal framing piece at the base of the wall, which anchors the studs to the subfloor. It is cut out after framing to create the doorway. I'm just going to go over some brief steps on making a door frame. Step 1, you'd want to measure and mark the rough opening. Then you'd want to install the king studs. Then you'd attach the jack studs, install the header, and then cut out the bottom plate. Here's some key tips for a strong and square frame. Check for level and plumb. Use a level and ensure that the king studs and jack studs are perfectly vertical. Double check the rough opening. Ensure the width and height are correct before installing drywall or the door. Use structural screws or 16D nails for maximum stability, especially in load-bearing walls. Consider double headers for heavy loads. In structural walls, using 2 pieces of lumber for the header improves the strength. Why proper door framing matters. Well-framed doorway ensures even weight distribution for long-term structural integrity. A square, level opening that prevents doors from sticking or getting misaligned. By following these steps and best practices, you should ensure your doorway is strong, level, and built to last. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and follow Concept Design for more expert home building insights.